Is fasting good for you? If yes, what are its exact benefits? And are there any side effects? Today, we will talk about intermittent fasting, a popular health trend that's been making waves in the wellness community. We'll discuss what it is, why it's so popular, the pros and cons, and some tips to help you decide if it's right for you. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, or IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. There are several methods of IF, such as the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake for 2 days. The idea is to give your body a break from constantly digesting food, allowing it to focus on other important processes like cellular repair and fat burning. Why is it popular? Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for several reasons. First, it's a simple and flexible approach to eating that can be easily adapted to fit your lifestyle. Second, it's been linked to various health benefits, such as weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and even increased longevity. Lastly, many people find it easier to stick to it compared to traditional diets, as it doesn't require counting calories or eliminating specific food groups. Pros of intermittent fasting. Let's talk about some of the benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss. By reducing the time window for eating, you're likely to consume fewer calories, which can lead to weight loss. Plus, fasting can help increase your metabolism and promote fat burning. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Increased longevity. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help you live longer by promoting cellular repair and reducing inflammation. Mental clarity. Many people report increased focus and mental clarity during fasting periods, as the body shifts from using glucose to ketones for energy. Cons of intermittent fasting. Now, let's discuss some of the potential downsides of intermittent fasting. Hunger and irritability. Adjusting to fasting periods can be challenging, and you may experience hunger, irritability, or low energy during the initial stages. Overeating during eating windows. Some people may overcompensate for the fasting periods by overeating during their eating windows, negating the benefits of IF. Potential nutrient deficiencies. If you're not mindful of your food choices during your eating window, you may not get all the nutrients your body needs. Not suitable for everyone. Intermittent fasting may not be appropriate for pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with certain medical conditions, or those with a history of eating disorders. Tips for success. If you're considering giving intermittent fasting a try, here are some tips to help you succeed. Start slow. Begin with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to help curb hunger and maintain energy levels. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. When you do eat, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting and eating periods, and adjust your approach as needed. So, there you have it. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider if it's the right fit for your lifestyle. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.